In today's video, I'll teach you how to update BiliBili app. So if you want to update BiliBili app, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for BiliBili. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. If BiliBili application is available in your region, it will be displayed over here. All you have to do is simply tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it, wait for a while, and your application will be updated. After the application is updated, you'll be able to use the latest version of BiliBili application. You'll be able to access the latest feature and smoother performance. So like this, you'll be able to update it. So that is how you update BiliBili app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.